Hi there, I am coming to you from inside an attic crawl space. We're going to take a look at some knob and tube wiring. Crawl spaces I find to be pretty fun sometimes when they don't have a bunch of cobwebs and stuff, which this one is pretty clean. So I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to show you what I mean when I say knob and tube wiring. Okay, here we are inside the crawl space, and you can see a whole bunch of up-to-code current day wiring. And this is the Romex wire. If you were to open that casing, you would find multiple wires in there, a hot, a neutral, and so on. And that's what everything uses. Now, if you look over here, you see all of those knobs. And those are porcelain knobs, and they have a big nail through them. So one a little bit closer here. It's a porcelain thing, and you can see that the old wire is wrapped around that, and then it's encased in kind of a cloth, like an old black cloth, and then it would run one direction. So each current would run one direction. So there would be two sets for each line, if that makes sense. And knob and tube wiring is kind of the original wiring. It's in early 19th century houses. This is a 1923 home. It started to become less common in the 40s and 50s. And then, of course, we have current, more efficient and safer wiring options today. You can see in this crawl space, which is kind of cool, that this is a drop ceiling. It's over a staircase. It's about 2 feet down. It's like an 8 by 4 foot space. And the interesting thing about that is that they likely did it so that they could hide all of that wiring along the wall that you see. And so they just dropped the ceiling down so they could encase those wires safely and called it good. But that's knob and tube wiring for the day. We're going to talk about lath and plaster, which is what you see down there on the ceiling, in another video. For now, talk to you soon.